In this video I will show you how to mend the frayed crotch areas of jeans. This is a difficult type of jeans repair. It requires not only skills and a sewing machine capable of sewing rough fabrics, but also you need to have 2 pieces of denim fabric of the same color and quality as your jeans. Draw an oval line around the frayed areas of jeans. Be sure to make a paper template of the jeans areas to be restored. Instead of an awl, you can use a pin or needle. When cutting out the template, add allowances on all sides. On the template, indicate the direction of the jeans fabric grain. To do such repair you need to have 2 pieces of denim fabric of the same color and quality as your jeans. Therefore, if your jeans over time have the frayed areas between the legs, I recommend saving the pieces of jeans left after shortening them. If possible, it is desirable to place the template on the fabric without traces of hem. If the jeans fabric has a clearly defined pattern, then the direction of the grain line of the fabric and the template must match. In this video, I made breeches out of my jeans. But you can try to find a suitable fabric from your old denim clothes, or buy a piece of suitable denim from the store. Now you need tools for deleting jeans seams. When cutting out these areas, be sure to leave allowances of 1.5 centimeters. Now you need to cut an exact same piece of fabric on other leg of the jeans. The direction of the grain line of the fabric and the template is match. Cut off the seam allowance on the oval side of the template and mark a seam line on both pieces of fabric. Edges of areas where the rubbed sections of the jeans were cut off must be overcast over with an overlock or with zigzag stitch. Attach the patch to the edge with pins along marked line. Now you need to attach this patch to the jeans along the marked line. The seam allowance of the patch you can cut off a little. Before making a finishing stitch, it is advised to test the stitch on a test piece of jeans fabric. You can now sew a double decorative stitch. But this is optional. You can make one line only or not do it at all, just iron the seam. Now you need to sew the inside seam of the jeans. Edge of the seam must be overcast over with an overlock or with zigzag stitch. Make 2 finishing stitch lines with the same color and thickness thread as the jeans thread. Pull the ends of the threads to the wrong side and tie in a knot. Now it remains to restore the seam between the legs and the repair of the jeans will be completed. In this model of jeans, the seam between the legs must be made with one finishing line. Now the restoration of the rubbed crotch holes of jeans is completely finished and you can wear your jeans for a long time.